Are you interested in working on farm in New Zealand? Whether it's fruit picking, planting, or dairy farming, this video will guide you step by step on how to land a farm job and legally move to New Zealand. Now, firstly, you have to know what kind of work is available. Popular farm jobs include fruit picking, harvesting, vineyard work, animal care, and dairy farming. These roles can be seasonal or long-term, depending on the farm and location. To work in New Zealand, you need a valid visa. Seasonal harvest work usually requires a short-term or seasonal work visa. Longer-term farm job may come with sponsorship through the accredited employer work visa, also called AEWV. Now, what you do next is to find farm jobs. Use websites like seek.co.nz, NZ Farm Source, or nzvisajobs.co.nz. Look for listings that mention AEWV sponsorship or indicates that they accept international applicants. Okay, so you can also check the official New Zealand immigration website for accredited employers. New Zealand civil style, just keep it simple. 1 to 2 pages. Okay, highlight your farming experience, physical work ability, teamwork, and reliability. Even if you are new, employers value a strong attitude and willingness to learn. What you do is, once you find a job, apply directly through the website or email, because some interviews may be conducted online. If successful, you will receive a job offer from an accredited employer. Now, with a job offer, apply for the correct visa. For long-term farm job, this usually means the accredited employer work visa. After approval, you will be ready to travel and work legally in New Zealand. Here are a few examples of farm jobs with visa sponsorship. Now, read a few example job titles briefly, e.g. dairy farm assistant, Waikato orchard manager. Pardon me if I'm not pronouncing it well. I'll make sure to write them on the screen. Hawke's Bay. All these roles are with accredited employers and offer AEWV sponsorship. And that's it. A simple step-by-step guide to work on the farm in New Zealand. If this video helped, like, comment your questions and subscribe so you don't miss more guides on work abroad. Okay, all useful links are in the description to help you apply easily. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe once again. Okay, I'll do well to bring more travel videos to your view. Thanks for watching. Bye.